In this video, I will show you how to use the edit field node in n8n. So let's review the documentation fastly. So basically you have two modes. You have manual mapping. So you enter the name of a variable and its value, and you can do it multiple times. Or you directly have a JSON where you have all this information in one JSON only. So you can use both. The manual mapping is easier if you never use JSON, but you can use both. So let's go back on an n8n, and here I use this simple workflow to illustrate how this is working. So here we have a trigger that is on form submission. So when you fill a form, let's say you have multiple parameters to fill. You have the name that is a text, email that is text, and company that is text. So let's see what happens when we fill the form. So I will test this. Let's say the name is Nasser, the email is Nasser email, and the company is Nasser company. Let me submit this and we'll go back here. So the reason why edit field module is interesting is that you can use variable that you have, and with this variable create new one. So as you can see on the right side, we have the information I filled with the form. You have Nasser, Nasser email, Nasser company. And let's say I wanted to create two new variables that I will use later in my workflow. That is company, that is work at, and the name of the person. And by the way, I made the mistake here. Yeah, it should be name here and company here, but it's okay. And you can also, for example, as I did here, like add two variables here, one next to each other. So in my opinion, this is where edit module is good to use. This is where you have some kind of variable and you want to create new variable that would fit your automation. You can also use it sometimes to convert some variable type. For example, here, as you can see, this is a string. But let's say I added a number and I wanted one of the variable, for example, let's say this is age and we have it as a string, so text. And we had here, for example, I don't know, 35. What you could do is select this was name, and you add at the end dot to number, and like this you are able to convert your text, for example, into a number. So here this is not working because the name is not a number, even if it's still text, but you get what I mean. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment if you have any question regarding the edit field module. Thank you for watching.